on to JC tournament in Brainerd.
JC, go back, JC, go JC.
Absolutely, and the sign very quickly says, remembering those who love fishing today.
Seven minutes to start time. Everybody's in the spot. 7 minutes. It's official. Everybody's starting now. Damn. So intense. I'm not even looking at anything. I'm just so intense as everybody else. Oh yeah, boy. This is it, folks. We're all done. Everybody's out of here. Yep. All out of here. We were not on the scoreboard. One guy got on the scoreboard, probably the lead, but that's it.